So hello everyone. Today again I am here from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, the SEES group. So with the continue of the last lecture, today we will going to be discuss about the classification of follower. As last class we discussed what is the CAM and classification of CAM. So as we already know what is the CAM. So cam is a mechanical element of a mechanism which transfer rotary motion to reciprocating oscillating motion to the another element that is known as follower. So let's see the classification of follower. So we can classify followers in basically three main category, and so first one is according to the surface in contact. Under first one, we will discuss about the knife face follower, roller follower, flat face follower, and spherical follower. And second category, that is according to the motion of follower, reciprocating follower, rotary, rotating follower, oscillating follower also is there. And the last category we will discuss about according to the path of motion of follower, and under which we will discuss two types. One is the radial follower and offset follower. Let's see what is the next, what is in the next slide. The first one is knife edge follower under the first category. So we can see, you can see this the face, this here, this is look like a knife edge. So as this is first category according to the surface in contact, so it is a knife edge, that's why it is known as knife edge follower. You can see so when the contacting element of follower has sharp knife edge, it is called knife edge follower, as name implies. You can see roller follower. You can see this is a follower at the end which is in contact with the cam. It is in the shape of roller, so it is called as a roller follower. When the connecting end of the follower is the roller, it is known as a roller follower. So let's see what is the next flat face follower. So as the name implies, you can see this is a flat surface which is in contact in the cam. So we can define as when the contacting surface of follower is perfectly flat. You can see this is a follower, it is a flat shape known as flat face follower. Here this is a spherical follower. So this is a follower, this is a came, and this one, this two is this is follower, and the shape of which is contacting to the came, it is in spheric shape. So that's why it is known as a spherical follower. So next come to the next category. So under the next category, first one is the reciprocating follower. Under the reciprocating follower, we can see what happened actually. So when the cam rotates, then this follower motion in this in the vertical axis, it's reciprocate in the vertical axis. When it is a reach here, it is a reach when then this follower reach at this point, so it is reach at the maximum displacement point, uh, and it's a reciprocate around along the vertical axis. So such follower is known as a reciprocating follower. And second one, you can see the oscillating follower. In oscillating follower, you can see when this cam will rotate, and so this follower in touch with that. So as this, you can see here, dear student, here this will be oscillate about this, like this here and here, about this fulcrum. So this one is known as oscillating follower. So it's, you can see the definition of when the uniform rotary motion of cam is converted into the predefined oscillatory motion of the follower, it is known as the oscillating follower. So you can understand, as a name depicted already, it is how it is oscillate. You can see with the help of diagram. So let's discuss the last one. In the last one, in the last category, you can see the example 2 1, that is a radial follower and offset follower. As name implies, you can see in the radial follower, radial means when the motion of the follower is along the when the motion of follower is along the axis passing the km axis, and it is known as a radial follower. You can see this axis, this one axis, axis of this follower, at it is passing through this axis. This is called the radial. You can see this, if suppose this axis come to there, so it is passing through this one, which is the axis of the cam. So we can say it is a radial follower. And offset follower, when the motion of the follower is along the axis away from the axis of cam and center, it is known an offset follower. You can see here all the example is given under this category. This is the axis of cam and the follower axis. You can say there is some offset here also, and here also, and here also. So that's why such kind of arrangement is called an offset follower. So hope you understood about the classification of follower. Thank you so much for being attending this class.